In this quick video, we are going to see how to password protect any page on your Wix website. So for whatever reason you want to do this, for example, I want to password protect any kind of area, for example, the parents area in this particular website example. So I can choose just the pages here and click on manage pages right at the bottom. And from here, you can just select the area you want to password protect. So for example, in my case, it's the parents area. Just click on the three dots right here. And from here, click on settings. Now from the settings, you can either hide it from the menu to just make it completely hidden. But if you just want to password protect it so that specific users can see it, you can click on the permissions. And here you can just select that who can access this page, only the password holders. And what will be the password? Just make it simple, 1 2 3 4. And that's pretty much it. Now close out of here and just make sure that you can see the key with this page. So let's close out of here. Now, if we click on preview, you might be able to access this without the password. But when we publish that, after that, you won't be able to access this. For example, if in this preview page, we are still able to access this, but when we publish this and then view this site, now when we click on the parents area, as you can see, it requires a password. So this is how you do it. This is a very useful feature to allow only the special audience to have access to a specific pages. Just try it by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.